Hey friends! Never get stranded again with these powerful jump starters designed to revive dead batteries and provide essential roadside. In this video, we're taking a look at the best jump starters for emergency use in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the aux beam jump starter with air compressor. This all-in-one roadside hero is built to deliver unmatched performance and durability. Powered by advanced 40C LiPo technology, it unleashes up to 3500 A of peak current, reviving dead car batteries in seconds, even in freezing -4 degrees Fahrenheit weather. You can expect up to 20 jump starts per charge, making it a true winter lifesaver. Its 150 psi smart tire inflator gets the job done 25 quicker than average, auto-stopping at your preset pressure for maximum safety. Engineered for toughness, this UL-certified unit features 10 layers of protection and a rugged ABS shell that resists drops. The bright 2.4-inch display clearly shows battery status and pressure data even under direct sunlight, making it a reliable 6-in-1 multi-tool for any trip. Next up, our second product, the Locator jump starter with air compressor. This device redefines innovation with its extreme compactness and multifunctional design. Despite its small size, it delivers an impressive 2500 A peak current, jump-starting up to 8.5 L gas or 6.5 L diesel engines even in extreme temperatures. The boost function automatically detects voltage to revive fully drained batteries within seconds. It also features a cordless smart air compressor offering 150 psi airflow with preset pressure modes and auto shut-off. Beyond jump-starting, it doubles as a power bank with dual USB ports and a 300-lumen LED flashlight supporting SOS mode. The 4.15-inch smart LED screen displays real-time voltage and pressure clearly, ensuring it remains the ultimate all-in-one companion for modern drivers. Coming in at number 3, the Noco Boost Ultra-Safe Jump Starter. This compact powerhouse is designed for maximum reliability and safety. With 2000 A peak lithium power, it can instantly start dead batteries on engines up to 8.0 L gas or 6.0 L diesel, delivering up to 40 starts per charge. Its ultra-safe technology ensures foolproof connections with patented spark-proof and reverse polarity protection, making the process worry-free. More than just a jumper, it doubles as a portable power bank for charging smartphones and tablets on the go. The integrated 400-lumen LED flashlight features 7 modes, including SOS and strobe, perfect for nighttime repairs. Its rugged IP65 rated housing resists water and dust, while high-conductivity clamps maximize energy transfer for a dependable start every single time. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Hulkman Smart Jump Starter for car. This powerhouse is built for professional-level reliability and versatility. Delivering an impressive 4000 A peak current, it jumpstarts up to 10.0 L gas or diesel engines with ease, even in extreme cold, thanks to advanced preheat tech that ensures performance at -40 degrees Fahrenheit. With up to 80 jump starts per charge, it is ideal for frequent use. Its 65 WPD fast charging capability recharges the unit in just 1.5 hours and can even power laptops at top speed. The 3.3-inch smart display offers real-time guidance and error alerts for a safe, effortless experience. Rugged yet portable, its IP65 rated design withstands rain, dust, and shocks, making it ready to face any roadside or outdoor challenge with confidence. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Zevzo Car Battery Jump Starter. This unit packs serious power and reliability into one compact device. Delivering a 4000 A peak current, it jumpstarts all 12V vehicles up to 8.0 L gas or 7.0 L diesel engines in seconds. On a single charge, it supports up to 50 jump starts, ensuring you're always prepared for emergencies. With its force start function, it can even revive 0V dead batteries, bringing completely drained vehicles back to life when you need it most. It doubles as a 74Wh portable power bank with dual USB ports that charge devices 50 faster than standard chargers. It also includes a 900-lumen LED flashlight and a clear LCD screen for easy monitoring, making it a perfect all-around roadside companion. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.